Brian DiMambro. We have here an early 20th century cerographically printed large folding pocket map of the state of Washington. It's overprinted in red at the upper left corner to show the railroad lines across the state. It was issued by Rand McNally, one of the major cartography firms in America, for most of the latter part of the 19th century and well into the 20th century. This large folding color lithographed or cerographically color offset map is still retained within its original folder, which has an index at the front. It does have a date. It's the latest date we see here of the imprint is 1907. The map remains sound, clean, and tight. There are just a couple minor splits at fold line intersections, but as you can see, it still folds readily and nicely into the folder, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.